Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. So guys, today I'm gonna do some banana. I have some overripe banana guys. Once a banana is this ripe, it's very sweet. So we're in too sweet is not good. So instead of eating this whole banana being so sweet, I quite a few of them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them up, peel them, cut them up and put them in a plastic Ziploc bag and keep them in the freezer, so that if I'm gonna make a smoothie, I'll just take out a few pieces to put in the smoothie. Alright guys? Guys, I hope you can hear me. I don't have a mic. Sorry about that. I get few mics from my phone and none of them work. So the first thing I'm gonna do is peel the banana. My hand is already washed guys. So the first thing I do, I peel the banana, and then guys, you just break them up. You don't even have to use a knife to cut them, you just break them. So when you're making your smoothie guys, you can use this. So instead of going to buy fresh banana, if you have overripe banana, you just break them up like this and put them in the freezer, because guys, things is too expensive right now to waste stuff. This one is very ripe, so you just break it. See right there guys, just break it up. Take off the skin and just break it guys. That's another way to save. So guys, for all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. For those who have been commenting on my channel, thank you so much for commenting. I appreciate your support. So here you go guys, it's another simple way to save stuff. And here go the Ziploc bag. I love to store stuff guys. I don't waste stuff. If I can save it, I'll save it. So you just put them in a Ziploc bag guys. Put it in a Ziploc bag and you keep them in your freezer. So when it's time to make a smoothie and you need some banana for that smoothie, you just put the same banana in your bullet or in your blender for your smoothie. So there you go guys. Simple way to save banana, preserve banana for smoothie. Because these bananas too ripe. They are very ripe and they're very sweet. So you can't consume all that sugar one time. So you just keep it in a Ziploc bag. Close the Ziploc bag. Take out the ear. And there you go guys. You just put it in the freezer for next time. Alright guys. So guys, we're gonna do one more project, but I'll be back guys. I have to wash my hand. So guys, this is a watermelon. Hey, Chinake. This is a pineapple, guys. So guys, this pineapple, I'm not so sure about it, but I'm gonna peel it and I'm gonna make some juice in my bullet with the pineapple and the strawberry, guys. Guys, I have so much strawberry in my freezer, I don't know. So I'm gonna just peel this, guys. So watch the process, guys, as I peel this. Well, guys, I think this is not good. But things I'm a thing is about simple thing and how to save and things. Yeah, well, it's somewhat good, some part of it. So then I'm gonna cut off all the skin. This is another fruit that seems like, I'm not sure. Nowadays, when you buy stuff and you think you're getting good stuff, this is what you get. But this one I didn't buy it, guys. Because if I buy pineapple, I would buy this. Someone bring it to me. And I guess the person thought it was good somewhat. But at least I'm getting something out of it. So I'm not gonna eat it just like this, guys. I'm gonna take off the part that is good and blend it up with some strawberry and put it in a bottle. And there you go. I was planning to put it through the juicer, but guys, I'm not gonna go through all of that to go wash up all this juicer business. So I'm just gonna cut off the top. So there you go, guys. A lot of this thing. Don't worry, I'm not gonna cut my hand. So you cut off the thing. Guys, you don't have to throw away stuff that you don't have to throw away. So this is what I'm gonna do to save it. Take off the part that is not good and cut it up in my bowl over here. I'm gonna take out the bony part, guys. This part is tough, so I don't need the middle piece. I just need the end part. Whoops, there go piece. So guys, I'm just gonna take out this part, the heart. Let me cut it on the board so I don't cut my hand. So I'm gonna take out the middle piece so that when I blend it out, it's nice and soft and not coarse. Because I'm not gonna strain this. I'm just gonna cut it up, guys. Look. Hope you can hear me, guys. So I'm just gonna cut it up. Just cut it up. Simple thing, guys. Simple. My channel is about simple thing, not about all this extra. Simple as you can take it. So there you go, guys. You just cut it up. Take out the middle piece. Even though the outer part, some part of it is not good. Most of it is good. So there you go, guys. Just cut it. And I'm going to put this in my bullet with some strawberry. Thank you, guys. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Simple thing that you can do in your kitchen. And after this, I'm going to wash some strawberry, guys. I cleaned the strawberry already, but I didn't wash them yet. So there you go. Take out the middle of it. And it's very juicy. Here you go, guys. So we're gonna make some pineapple. I could put some of the banana in this too, you know, guys. But I'm not sure. Whoa, guys. Pineapple sour. So I think I'm just gonna make some smoothie with the pineapple, with some blueberry, not blueberry, strawberry, and I'm gonna put a piece of the banana in this because there is no sweetness in this. It is very sour, and then the strawberry is sour. So I think I need to put some banana. So I'm just gonna turn this with banana and strawberry and pineapple. All right, guys, I'll be back, guys. So okay, guys, I have my strawberry washed. Guys, I'm not using any milk. So everything is just blend all these fruits together. No milk, guys. So I'm using some lemon, some ginger. So I peel my ginger and I wash them. The pineapple and the banana. All right, guys. So watch the process, guys. So let me put this over here. Put the banana over there. And guys, we're using my bullet. So let me put something on my counter so the bullet don't jump. So right here, here's my bullet. All right, guys. So let me get a spoon. Mm. Oh, guys, I just use a fork. This spoon is in my dishwasher. All right, hold on, guys. Sorry about the noise, guys. So I'm gonna use this spoon to fill up the cup. So, guys, I'm just gonna blend I'm gonna do the pineapple first. To the pineapple first. So I'm gonna blend everything separately, guys. And I'm gonna try not to use any water. I'm gonna try not to use any liquid, guys, because I want the full length of the juice. So let's see, guys. So there you go, guys. You don't have to add water. So there you go. You're getting the pineapple completely. No water added, so you're getting the juice just like how the pineapple came. Here's my container. I'm just pouring the juice as I blend. So while I blend, I just pour it in here. And then I'm going to pour it in some bottles. So guys, the pineapple is completely smooth. Simple cooking, guys. Simple stuff that you can do in your kitchen. Let me get a washcloth, guys. Because you don't want to make a mess inside the bullet. So you just wipe it off every time. I'm going to add the rest of pineapple. Okay, guys, don't let the liquid from the cover go into the blender. Just wipe it off. Guys, if you're still watching thus far, please comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. There you go, guys. So, guys, there you go. Look, nice and creamy. You don't have to strain this, guys. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna do the strawberry. So pull the strawberry closer. I'm gonna add the lemon and the ginger with some strawberry. Remember, guys, we're not adding no water. No water, guys. That's the pure fruit, the fruits. That's my hand. I keep wiping, guys, because I don't want the. You're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Nice and creamy. Pour it in. Turn this down, guys, because I don't want the. Okay, guys, so let's put some more. The rest of strawberry. After you do that, guys, wipe off the bullet. I'm gonna add the rest of strawberry, guys. It's not a lot. So, guys, this is the banana that I just break up. So I'm gonna put some of the banana inside the bullet. So I'm gonna use like a one banana or 1.5 banana. Because guys, I'm not using no sugar. So the banana gonna be the sugar because the strawberry is sour and the pineapple is sour. Put a lot of little piece. All right, guys, let's blend this out. When I finish blend this, guys, I'll be back. So guys, now I'm gonna add the banana that I puree. So you have to say I puree everything. Sorry guys if you hear talking in the background. Okay guys, now that I blend everything together, I'm gonna stir it, combine everything. It would have been easier if I put everything in the bowl at one time, but in case I'm separating my stuff. So there you go guys, no sugar, no milk. So you can make smoothie. Yes guys, so now that I blend out everything, mix out everything, I'm gonna pour them into different bottles. So then when I need one, I just grab one and go. Guys, this cannot last for too long, at least 1 day, 2 day the least. Because guys, because the lemon is in here, so you have to drink it fast. Because if you don't, then the lemon gonna get bitter. So guys, make sure you drink it the day you blend it, or by the day the next day. Make sure you finish it in 2 days, or else it's gonna get bitter. And or if you want, you can freeze it, guys. Just put it in the freezer. So guys, I'm gonna use a funnel to pour into my bottles. So here's my bottles, guys. So I'm gonna pour it into the bottles. So I'm gonna use the funnel to fill up the bottles, guys. So I'm using the funnel so it doesn't waste, spill. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. So guys, it seems like I'm only getting 4 bottles. Woo! Wait. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to fill up the bottles and end up pour too much in the bottle. All right, guys. So this one have too much in it. Just pour out a little bit. I'll be back, guys. 1 minute. So, okay, guys. There you go. No sugar, no milk, and no water. 100% fruit punch or fruit smoothie. Just pure fruit puree. You just puree the fruit in your bullet, and there you go, guys. No added anything. Guys, you just give it a shake. When you're ready to drink it, you can keep this in the fridge for a couple of days, as I said. You don't want to keep it too long because it will get bitter. It will get bitter because of the lemon. So there you go, guys. Smoothie, dairy free, sugar free. Sugar free and dairy free. Lemon in there and ginger. So because of the lemon and the ginger, you can't put milk. But if you want to put milk, don't use the ginger. Don't use the lemon. And probably you can use it, I don't know, I think ginger curdle if you put it with milk. But if you can't put the milk with it, use your milk, but don't put the lemon. So there you go, guys. Hope you can see, guys. There you go. Fruit smoothie in a bottle. Pineapple, strawberry, banana, ginger, and lemon. Put everything in your bullet and blend it out, puree it out, put it in a bottle, and there you go with your own smoothie, your own punch, if you want to call it fruit punch, if you want to call it smoothie, you could call it whatever you want, but there you go. No preservative, no added nothing other than what the manufacturer already put on it, like fertilizer and whatever. I don't know what they put on it, but whatever else they put on it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video to the end, give me a red heart, because that's how I'm gonna know that you watch the video to the end, because you give me a red heart. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the comments and thank you for the likes. Please continue to subscribe. Take care of yourself until next time, and walk good in the presence of God. Okay, guys, sorry. I'm going to take a second to try out the smoothie so you guys can see. If I'm still standing when I don't drink it, you know, say it okay. See, guys, it's thick, not too thick. So there you go, guys. It still have a tangy taste. It has a tangy taste because of the strawberry and the pineapple and the lemon, but it still tastes good. You can taste the ginger, no sugar, so it's fine. For those of us who don't want to use a lot of sugar in our smoothie. Right, guys? This alone can fill your belly. You don't really need to eat anything else after you drink this, guys. It's enough to fill your belly. Tastes good. Yes, guys, we fill up more. Yes, guys, it tastes pretty good. Best way to go. Make what you eat, and you'll be good. I'm still standing. All right, guys, take care of yourself. Subscribe, comment, and share. Until next time. One love.